Holy guacamole! This morning, Wednesday morning, starting out the day down $900. Staying laser focused. I went from being up 500 to being down 900 and then becoming laser focused here on MYOS and being like, all right, it's time to read the tape. It's time to read the level 2. It's time to make some money. And I'm going to show you guys the trades here on MYOS, HEPA today, going from 500 down to 1,000, back up to break even, and then now up almost $1,000 on the day. You got to love it. You got to love it. But that's what it's all about, really. That's what it's all about, is being able to take a loss, to sell a loser, to get out of a loser, get out for a loss, stay focused, and get done. Get done what needs to get done. Get it done. Get it done. So that's what we did today. MYOS, the big mover of the day. It's up 100%. I'm going to show you guys the trades and all the action and the battle that was. The battle that was right here, right now in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So I thought that I was recording this whole entire morning session, but I went to turn off the recorder and the recorder wasn't recording. So it happens sometimes. Early in the morning, waking up here at 7 a.m., seeing what's hot, what's popping. We got MYOS this morning, I wouldn't say the big mover of the day, but some pretty good little opportunities to scalp in and out. Plenty of volume. We got 6.5 million shares traded, and look at it now up there to the $2.50 area. I'm done for the day here trading. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm done, and you can see all my entries and exits. Some people have been accusing me. They're like, "Oh, this guy's just paper trading again. He's paper trading." If you look at my actual entries and exits, you can see my account number there. I have it set up. CME52 is the actual account. When you're trading with a paper trading account through CME, if you're trading with a paper trading account, it says TR. So it'll say TR CME. But you can see there, it says CME on everything. There's no TR. So this is not a trading account. This is real money, cash money millionaire. And today, bit of a battle here on MYOS. So I'll show you guys what my position is. So I started out the day on HEPA. I was up $500 on the day on HEPA, and I probably should have stayed away from it after that. But I went back in one more time and ended up taking a big loss there on HEPA. So at that point, I was down $1,000, people. I was down $1,000 on that move after being up $500. So really, I was down $1,500 on that trade. And MYOS popped up on the scanner, and it's still going up there at 250 now. So MYOS has news today. News coming out about, I guess, phase 1 or phase 2 trial news. Like I said, I'm going to be done for the day. I'm well above my goal for the day. And after being $1,000 down, well, there's no point in pushing my luck at this point and just racking up more and more in commissions and all that. So it is what it is. We'll let it be, and we'll use this as a learning experience. So again, we got we'll take a look at MYOS here on the 5-minute chart. You can see this thing really just kind of was holding the VWAP for quite some time here, holding the VWAP and then squeeze up there 255 now. And one thing that's interesting here, I don't know if this is like a lesson for me to learn here or not, is to not buy the first candle on the pullback after like a first pop. So we popped from $1.24 to $1.75, from $1.67 to $2.35. We pulled back from $2.35 back all the way down here to $2.20 was the high here on this candle. And this thing sold off. It dipped down there to the 190s. I got filled in this area thinking we were going to hold the VWAP and then start to push back up, which we ended up doing. But I ended up getting out there after we could not get above the VWAP, and I ended up getting out there at $1.88. So my other entries were $1.95, $1.95. So I took a little hit there on MYOS. I think it was like a $300, $400 loss there on that first trade on this one, and then saw that this was really kind of percolating back up. Volume jumped up here on this candle, so it jumped back in there at $1.98 and sold into the push here at 215 and 230, 237, 240, 241 on that push. Was thinking we were going to get some more pops, get above that. We can see now up there to 260. MYOS making the move here. You can see a couple little pops. Kept thinking we were going to get that breakout finally, but this kind of 230 area was holding it down for quite some time. And we finally did get the breakout here, and you can see up there at 260 now. So nice little move here on MYOS this morning. It's up 100%. It's all over the scanners. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone's looking at it. The other ticker of the day here for me was HEPA. HEPA ended up buying here at the 581, selling above that $6 push. Great trade. Look how nice this trade was, right? Great little trade there. And then guess what happened? I ended up buying back in here. I don't really know why I did this, but I thought we were going to break above this 580. And guess what? That's a good lesson for you people, or for me alone. A good lesson that don't buy the first, don't buy if this doesn't push above that high on this candle. So my entry should have been above 580, not at 574 or 570 in general. And what happened is this candle ended up closing here at 574. On the next candle, it opened, and I got the rest of my partial fill there at the 570s. Ended up getting out there at 550, and as you can see, it's crashed pretty big down there to the 460s now. So luckily for me, I was able to cut it off there, cut it off quick. Took the small loss, the $900 loss, took the loss, and then focus on the next opportunity, and that's exactly what we got here with MYOS. MYOS, where are we at now? We're at 250 again. Like I said, I'm just kind of thinking that I'm going to be done for the day, especially after, going down 1,000 to back up to break even, and then now being up $987. I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to complain, so I'm going to let that be, and I'm going to go ahead and close it out here and give you guys a little update on what I'm doing, what's going on. The small account growing here. Look at this thing. Still pushing MYOS up there to 265, nope, 265, 555. Almost there. But in general, high so far on MYOS, 265. Okay, there it is. So there's the move, there's the action, that's what's going on, and all that fun stuff right here. Staying alive. Little bit of a battle today, a little bit of a battle. So there you have it. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.